So guys, back again, next day. Basically try to sort the Vtec issue that my friend's having. If you haven't checked my previous video, then I'll leave a link up here. Check that out where I've cleaned the main Vtec valve solenoid back here, and I'm about to do the front VTC one and filter, make sure that's clear before I service the car. So get this fucker off first. Just take this earth off, give me a bit more room. Don't forget to put it back on, obviously. And get this belt off. Right, so 14mm spanner. It should be that way. Yep. And then yeah, and that should be, yep. There we go. It's easier doing it on the bottom spindle then. So lesson learned. Right, so line that off. So that out of the way. We'll just tuck that under there. Belt looks in pretty decent nick as well, so we'll not worry about too much about that. Off and out. Let's put the bloody bonnet stay right in the fucking way of it all. Oh, yeah, definitely a bit of pressure in there. Right, should. I think get a bit of slack from this. Just 10 minutes on the side. That's better. That's the pulley off. And that looks in pretty decent nick. So that's had, that looks like it's had a new tensioner or just pulley wheel recently. Well, in its lifetime at least. So it's always a good thing to see. Right, now I need to get to, right, that is the pulley out of the way. Yeah, for you, obviously make sure you don't lose this nut at the back here. That slides in the back when you take it out, that can drop out. Obviously your pulley won't tighten up if that's not in right, so make sure you don't lose that. Just so the oil doesn't go everywhere, just pop a rag down there. And that's one and two. Get off. Pull. Keep it on. There we go. Right, and you see, all goes through there and passes through the filter. Doesn't look all that bad. No, I don't reckon it's all that bad, that one. I'd imagine they'd have had a code come up if it was bad in there. So just clean off the mate surface. But yeah, there's a bit of crap in there, but I'll clean that out. No, Can't see any crud or crap in them. What I'm going to do is, I've got seafoam here that you can actually stick in your engine oil to clean your engine out, like in a slight bit. What I'm going to do is just get this a bit of a squirt up there, just to get a bit of a clean out, because I'm going to do the service anyway. So alright, that's what it was jammed on. When they've done the cam cover, it's spludged out a little and squeezed out a little and caught the cover for this, which has obviously made it stuck on. And that was, I'm guessing, why it was a bit harder to get off. Right, yep, looks clear, looks good. Right, while that's soaking, I will get the actual solenoid out. It should be 10mm. Oh, it's one of them types. Which it's got like a weird long head so you can get to it. That was nice, rather than burying it in. So guys, as you can see in the video, I was having trouble getting the actual solenoid out. Mainly with the room I had with my hands and everything else, it's a bit of a pain. I didn't want to pry it out with any pliers or anything like that. I didn't want to risk breaking the actual connector off or anything like that, due to it's not exactly a cheap part either. So I decided to leave it in there, and hopefully with them not getting any codes or anything like that, I don't see that it's got any problems or issues in it. I was just hoping to maybe take a look and just check to make sure the filters haven't clogged up. What I've done is I've sprayed a bit of seafoam down there just to kind of thinning out the grime before the surface, and obviously with nice fresh oil in that, it shouldn't be an issue anyway. So we'll catch back up to the video of me basically scrapping the idea of getting the solenoid out and starting to basically put everything back together when I do a bit of a boo-boo. Well, it was a bit manked up in the corners, and the filter was a little discoloured and bits in it and stuff, so nope. Nope. Yep. Alright, definitely fucking on there. So, this bolt fell out as I was putting it on, luckily I noticed. So, chuck that on the back. Oh shit, that's just push the bolt out, you motherfucker. Hopefully it fell through. And, oh fucking hell.
Two hours later.
So there it is, guys. It's all back together, all spick and span. Just put them two little, I don't know if you can see it in the other camera shot, but just put two little marks just to see if it's if it backs out at all, just to be on the safe side. So guys, that was another video. Something a bit different than the Evo, obviously being the Honda Civic. I have got a bit more content for the Honda Civic coming. Stay tuned for that, so make sure you don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. With